This one is Amadioha.
Yes, sir.
Which one is Ikenga? Huh?
This one is Ikenga.
Osisi Abi Ikenga.
Yes, sir. Imo State, Isi Alamba, na Manako.
You're the native doctor.
For 5 years now, I will not lie for you, man of God.
For 5 years, native doctor. Ole ngwongwo ije alụ ọlụ. So, yeah, bụ ngwongwo ije alụ ọlụ. Okay.
I decided by myself. After I lost my mother, then on Saturday, those men then come to me, tell me now I will belong to the society, bloody society. And my girl now is like 6 or 7 months pregnant. I tell them, okay, let them go. Then I will think about it. As they go, I pack my things and run away.
Oh yeah, I'm giving you 500,000. Even though we don't have money now.